Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again in a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can start your own campaign on Mailchimp. First of all, go ahead and click right here on this area and click on campaigns. After I did that, I have here all the list of campaigns. I'm going to start by clicking in here and create a new one. So here on campaigns, you will have three different or basically a lot of things. I'm going to start with a regular email. So let's go ahead and design an email. Here, the campaign, of course, is going to be sent to whom. So you have to add and import contacts. Contacts can be added as a CSV file or as a text file, depending on how you have them, or you simply can copy and paste them. Also, you can write them down. So it really depends on which method you would like to use it. For me, for example, copy paste, I'm going to click on continue. And once I have done that, as you can see, this is a list, a random list from them. I'm going to actually copy it. So tests at gmail.com slash test slash test slash 089. This is like a phone number. So let's click on continue. Once you have written them down, you have to give them to like a group of contacts. I'm going to keep them here. Click on continue. And here I'm going to search for tags. I'm going to keep them as it is. Here for columns. So I'm going to give each one of these informations a column. For example, this is like email. This is first name. This is last name, and this is the phone number. Exactly what I was intending to do. Here, email address, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me just close this, click on continue, and now finalize import, complete import. And once we have done that, we have confirmed, we can might find an error that doesn't really matter. But right after that, once you have done everything, in case you didn't have a problem, for me I just added like a random informations. Once you have done that, you will have to finish all the other things from whom the subject. So subject, you simply have to write why you are you sending this. For example, like promotion in X, in product X, and here the content. The content where you will find the designs. You can find already made designs by them, or you can create a design from scratch. Once you have added everything correctly, you simply have to click on send, and this campaign will start and it will be sent to all the contacts that you have added. So that was it guys for today's video. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.